Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily rename your folder on the Bitwarden Desktop app. So first, what you guys want to do is go over to the main page, as you guys can see. Now we need to select the folder that we want to rename, and here click on the pen. As you guys can see, here we have the folder name and that's required. So now we can change it, let's say from hard to, let's say, HardReset.Info. Now let's click on save, and as you guys can see, the folder name has been changed. So this is how you guys can do that. It's very easy. I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.